Changing the toner in the HP MFP125W printer. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video for you. This video is for those of you wondering how to replace the toner cartridge. So in this video, I'll give you a quick step-by-step guide, folks. Do you enjoy these types of videos? There are already other related videos on this channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Alright folks, let's get started. The process here is pretty simple. The first step is to, when you take it out after buying the toner, remove this protective cover from the front. Okay, this protective cover here, a lot of people try to insert it with this cover on. It ends up not fitting, so first remove this protective cover. I've already removed this protective cover here. Now I can put it in the printer. So what am I going to do now, folks? I'm going to open the printer here. Lift it up. Here, you also need to open this part on the side. Pull and lift. Now you can insert the toner cartridge here. Just like this, folks. There we go, the toner is now in place. Just lower it down. Also lower this main cover. Now just turn it on, guys, and run some print tests. Did you manage to do it, folks? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap it up here. Take care, God bless, and thanks everyone.